Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel English with Gamwali. So how are you guys? Hope you all are doing great, fantastic. So today I am going to reveal that how to growth our life. So first of all, I would like to say if you are new over here, so please subscribe this channel as well as you can press the bell icon so that you get early notification. So today's my topic for women and for ladies who wants to do anything in their life. So please listen to me carefully. So for example, I am a homemaker. I don't have anything. I don't have anything, and I want to growth my life. I want to do anything in my life. So what is necessary for me first? Yes. So I would like to say it's necessary. Like if I want to do anything in my life, so first I have to enhance my communication skills. No matter in this English language and in Hindi language, in every any language you can enhance your communication skill, because if you have communication skill, you know how to talk to people, so definitely it's very good things, it's very helpful for you. So now let's get into the point. Like if you want to enhance your communication skills in English language, so how it could be possible, and what is here beneficial, what is advantage. So yes guys, when I was started this journey to learning this language, that time I was not able to speak a single word, a single sentence, and at that time I want to teach, I wanted to teach in any like a school and children's, but it could not possible for me that time. So that time I got realized if I have to do anything in my life, if I have to do something in my life, so first I have to enhance my communication skills. So definitely I started this journey, but it is not piece of cake, and it's not a rocket science. But I think we have to go to realize, like everything will happen with their life only on purpose. So that time I had only one purpose, like I want to earn some money, like I want to earn some money because my financial condition was very pathetic that time. So then I started my journey, and as well as I start my teaching classes. Yes guys, so you can say first time, earlier initial time, I didn't had any knowledge how to teach some student, but you can say gradually I got idea how to teach, and finally I am here in front of you. And a learning journey and earning journey both are going good nowadays. You can say nowadays I have 20 students and I am teaching as well as I am learning this language. So it's good for me, and I'm not sharing this kind of things. And I want to say, I want to suggest for some ladies, some homemakers, because they don't have any idea, and they have only, they has only their house chores, and only like take care of their family. So it's not your work. And if you want to growth in your life, so first you have to revolve yourself, surrounded yourself, like what's going on social media and what's going in their life, and you have to change your life. Yes, and if you want to really change your life, so definitely you can do it. There is no any necessary for others things, because it's your hand. It's depend on your circumstances. Yes guys, if your circumstances is not so good, so definitely you can take decision in your life, because it's your responsibility. Yes, it's your responsibility to do anything. Because for example, I don't have any work, and I want to do something in my life. So after doing whole chores, what can I do, because I don't have any work. So you can say that time I get realized like, yeah, I have this time and I have to utilize my time for learning purpose. If you are utilize your time only wasting through wasting, so it's not helpful for you, because time is very precious. Yes, for women, for everyone, time is very precious, for all ladies, for all women. So that's why I'm saying, if you want to grow through your life, first you have to start you utilize time. If you are going to utilize your time, so definitely you got achieve your goal. And if you are able, you can achieve, you can accomplish your goal definitely, for your you can say husband and your children, your families. So you are like, if you are consider about that, so definitely you can do anything. So make sure you got it my point, and if you like this video, so you can share, subscribe. Till then, we will meet the next time. Thank you so much.